I don't know what I've put myself through. So I decided to put up a WhatsApp status asking people to ask me any questions really. Like could be literally anything. I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability and as honest as possible. Okay. Yo, but guys, your questions though. Some of my questions actually made me think twice about actually doing this Q&A session. But I felt like, okay, maybe I owe it, or I owe you guys a few answers to how I live my life, or just to get a sense of who Tembiso is. Anyway, let me get into it. So, how old are you? I am 29 years old. I actually turned 29 on the 9th of Jan this year. Although I've been getting a lot of you look younger than your age, or are you sure you're 29? I don't know why. Is it because of my height? I'm quite short. But some people actually tend to think I'm over 29, maybe like 30 or 31, simply because of the weight that I've gained. I've gained over the past 2 years. Um, yeah, guys. That's anyway, no, that's not the case actually. Okay. Second question to Jola Nobani. The Jola Nobani. Okay, guys. No, listen. I feel like some of these questions are very, very personal. Like, they really require me to think beyond the obvious, if that even makes sense. But, Gijola Noban, I'm not sure if this person is asking if, am I going go my date with anyone, or am I in a serious relationship, or am I in a relationship of some sort, an intimate one at that, of some sort with any person? And the answer to that is I'm I'm currently chatting with someone, and on we're still basically in the getting to know each other phase. So far so good, though there's been a few challenges here and there with this lockdown situation, so we have not really gotten time to meet. But I guess just have to build up to it, to the first time that we'd meet and see how it actually goes. But yeah, yeah. Okay, all right. Let me get back to it. Guys, uyangifaka noma uyangikhipha. Yo, I was still in like the 18th centuries, guys. Like I was still in the 18th century. Like I don't understand why someone would say something like this in this day and age. Like, bashela kanje, kusashela kanje namanje. Anyway, um, to answer your question, I ngiyakhipha simply because I can't really be thinking about different or many prospective base at this point in time. I'm not the person who keeps his options open should one not work out. One person who decides to focus on that one particular individual and see how it goes. And then after that, maybe if it doesn't go well. And then nigga starts going out and seeing people or start chatting with people that he has been chatting with before and decided not to give them a chance. But I almost said I can keep it back. Um, When is the next airtime giveaway trivia? I'm running out of data. Guys, I did a trivia simply because I was bored and I felt like giving away a bit of the cash that I have, uh, and obviously couldn't just give it away like just like that. You needed to answer a few questions, 10 questions, and I have to say most of you got it pretty wrong, and I was not impressed. It was not cute. It was still not cute, especially for the people that I thought would actually get more than they did. Trash. So yeah, there won't be any airtime giveaway anytime soon. Nigga is running low on cash. I don't have money unless if someone decides to bless my account with some randalis. But until then, forget. Do you have a life partner? Yo, guys, and the same for the question, guys. So over the years, man, I've been in the dating scene, in the relationship scene. But I have to say that I've met quite a few folks and I've met quite a few potential life partners. But there's always that one person whom I think, or I thought, or I still think, or I thought would make the best life partner or a great life partner. But distance has been the pits and we hardly really spend time together. And I think we only met last year after, well, actually, no, this year, after like a year and a few months having not seen each other. But I don't know. Like, do I still consider the person my life partner? I don't know. Like, I think I cannot really tell at this moment because things are really not going as well as I had envisaged or I had hoped. So I think it's just a matter of seeing how that actually pans out. Um, yeah, but yeah. Um, do you ever trade NASDAQ? Yo, guys. So, those of you who don't know, I do trade Forex. It's been a while. It's been a few years now, since 2016. And once in a while, it still does show me flames. But angeke sizwe ngamakhandlela. With this particular one, this one is trashy. Like NASDAQ is the pittest index of all the pittest indices you could ever find or you could ever trade. It is expensive, but if you cash in pretty good. Yup, Pichilo. Um, okay, we're good now. Um, so yeah, I do trade Nasdaq, um, and I've been getting burned quite a lot. So hopefully things change for the better soon, and cash it and make money. This crypto. Do you smoke? Yo. Ah. Do I smoke? I don't smoke cigarettes. I've never smoked cigarettes. I've never smoked weed. I still do not smoke weed. Um, but peer pressure got me trying out hardly a few years ago, and later tried vape. So I do smoke hardly. I do smoke. I do smoke vape once in a while. I actually think I have one right here, but it's dead. Um, well, I was given this one. I did not buy it because I didn't have cash to buy this expensive, unnecessary accessory, if I may call it like that. If I may call it that. But yeah, I'm thinking I'm actually getting two vapes for me and my brother. Nigga needs to have that vape. We need to vape, like. And then I get a phone call. This person will have to be strong, Shem. I'll see them some other time. Askis. Um, when was your first sexual experience? My first sexual experience. Let me see. Um, Bisexual. I'm not too sure if someone means kissing or they did like penetrative sex, oral sex. Um, it was in metric. Yeah, it was in metric. No, I actually started kissing girls way before that. But the first penetrative sex was it was actually post metric. I was done with metric, and that's how it happened. Yo, guys, yeah, you guys are really putting me in a tight spot. Um, did I enjoy the first sexual experience? I did, um, but I had a lot of questions in terms of was I doing the right thing or was I doing things right? Um, yo, hi guys, no, bye, bye. Um, have you ever suffered from a heartbreak? Yo, guys, Umlodi will tell you this one. Back in varsity, okay, so I studied at UCT. I did my undergraduate and my postgraduate degrees at UCT. And then I think it was in second year or third year. No, actually, I think it was second year. I think, yeah. I met this person. We got along quite well. But okay, the person was older than me. But let me just say, the person was controlling. Um, was full of yeah, a best jailer. So the person was yeah, I don't know, like, but it didn't turn out the way that I had expected it to turn out. Um, yeah, I got heartbroken. Are you a good kisser? I've been getting that quite a lot. Actually, every person that I've kissed would tell you how damn of a good kisser I am. Even if I say so myself, I know I'm good at that shit. Like, look at these lips. Like, do you think these lips would flop? Like, really? Anyway, no. But yeah, I am a good kisser. I kiss things. I've kissed. So yeah, guys, thank you. Thank you for the Q&A session. Oh, my tats be popping hot. Yeah, but yeah, thank you so much.